Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it's from Asos. Yes, another box from Asos, and it's one of 5 gift boxes that's still available on their website. They released them over the weekend and this is the fragrance one. You've got skincare, makeup, hair care and bath and body, and obviously the fragrance. They all cost £25 and they all have a saving of around 60 to 70%. If you're interested in this one for yourself or any of the others, I'll link them all down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites and my current advent calendar giveaway on Instagram. So you will find all links and details down below. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So I didn't know what to go for. 5 new boxes. They've only just released their October box, the £50 box, which I've already uploaded on my channel. They just released that a couple of days ago. Prior to that, they released the 3 stocking fillers. So they're coming out with their boxes quickly, aren't they? So when these were released over the weekend, I was really stuck. I didn't know what to go for. There's a few products that I liked in the makeup one, a few products in the skincare. The bath and body one looked amazing. It's got Psychic Sister candle and a deodorant, and then but I wanted to go for this one. It contains Narcisco Rodriguez, which is beautiful. I'm not sure if I've smelt the one though that's in this. And oh, it's not often they're sealed with a tape. Oh. And it contains, is it Rio Radiance? A beautiful, beautiful Sol de Janeiro perfume mist. It's my favourite smell from the Sol de Janeiro range. So anyway, if I don't like anything, then I'll pass it on to my daughter, because no doubt that she would love it. But, so we got a card, and there's 4, as you can see, really great sized perfumes. Is it, did you smell that? Oh, it's just this month's face and body box, packed with dreamy perfumes, perfect for the festive season. Side note, they'll all fit in your handbag, obsessed. But which of these picks win our everyday wear award, and which takes gold for Christmas winner? Read on to find out. And then it just goes on to telling you a little bit about them. Starting off with the Sol de Janeiro, the Rio Radiance. It contains Solar Tuberose and Lait de Coco. A solar scent that combines clean white florals, creamy coconut milk and the warmth of sun on the sand. Okay. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. It's my favourite scent from the Sol de Janeiro range. Yeah, I love that. Love it. Right then. I'm excited for this. I don't like the fact that it says rose though. This is Narcisco Rodriguez Musk Noir Rose for her. I'm sure I've got the Narcisco Rodriguez for her, but it doesn't mention rose, and I blooming love it. There's 10 mils here. I've got quite a few problems. I've got quite a few perfumes from Narcisco Rodriguez. Look at the bottles. I love them. Let's have a sniff first. I don't mind rose as long as it's not English rose. That's what I'm praying. I don't like it. Oh no. Oh no. No, I don't like it. Oh my gosh. No. Oh no. It's one of those perfumes where I wouldn't wear it. It's not like disgusting. It's just not a scent that I really like. I can't smell rose, like English rose as such, but I don't know what's in it. Oh my gosh, I thought I would like that. This is the first one from Narcisco Rodriguez I don't like. I absolutely adore the Pure Musk. That is stunning. I love that one. But yeah, unfortunately, Musk Noir Rose, I don't like it. Oh, maybe my daughter would like it. Oh, maybe. Next, we've got a perfume that I'm bound to like. I have tried a few perfumes from this brand, although saying that, I have tried a few perfumes from this brand, but I don't like that one. But this one just sounds like it's up my street. Melrose Apple Blossom. This is what it is. It's 10 mils here, natural spray fragrance by Shea and Blue. And yeah, I have tried many perfumes from this brand before. I might have tried this before, I don't know, but we'll see. The fact it's got apples in it. There's a lot of smells going on in this room, but oh no, we've only got 2 more. We've only got 1 more after this to go. Oh, oh, that is beautiful. Oh, thank God, thank God. That is beautiful. That is so nice. Yeah, that is stunning. It's not overly sweet or anything, because I don't like that in perfumes. I really like that Melrose Apple Blossom. Wow. Chuffed with that. The last one's by Floral Street, and I'm a little bit nervous about this one. And you're probably thinking, why'd you get the fragrance box, Claire? Well, I knew that I'd probably like these 2. Well, I wasn't guaranteed, because obviously it wasn't guaranteed that I would like this one, which I clearly don't. But I knew I'd 100% like that because I've already got one and I love it. And Apple Blossom, it just sounds amazing. And because I've got quite a few perfumes from this brand, I thought, yeah, I'd like it too. But no. With this one, from Floral Street, which do amazing perfumes, I've got quite a few of them in different scents. And the bottles are beautiful, but this is Arizona Bloom. There's 10 mils here. But I think this is the one that smells like farms. There's one more person that agrees with me. I must have a unique sort of sense of smell. I haven't got a clue. I've got nothing against farms. I live in rural Wales. There's farms surrounding me. I've got friends that work on farms, that live on farms. I've got nothing against farms. But there's something in this. Pray, I'm sure it's this one. A dry floral amber fragrance for the sunny, euphoric, nomadic and free-spirited. Okay. Beautiful bottle. Absolutely beautiful bottle. I love them. They're so lovely, aren't they? All right then. Okay. Ooh. Oh no, it's stuck. What have I done? Do it again. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh. See, there's a tractor going down as we speak. There. Oh, I have got a faulty one. I have got a faulty one. It's stuck there. That's not as bad. It is the farm smelling one, but it's not as bad. What can I spray it on? I don't want to spray it on me. I've got a faulty top there. To use it, I have to pull it up and just spray once, and it's really hard. That's a bit of a pain. So it smells nice when I'm smelling it on here. Do you think I was given an off one that had gone off? I got it from a Next beauty box about beginning of the year, something like that. And honestly, I was convinced it smelled like farms. I am completely baffled. I'm sure it's the same one. I'm sure. It's not one of the best ones. They've got some really, really gorgeous ones. But there is no way that I would say, yuck, I'd never put that on me. No, I am completely baffled. I wonder if I was given an old one and it's gone off, or then perfume lasts for years, doesn't it? So we've got Floral Street, Arizona Bloom, which is not bad, and I would wear this over this any day. I don't hate it. Well, yeah, I don't like it actually. Narciso Rodriguez, Musk Noir Rose for her. Nah. And then these two beautiful ones. Woo! We've got Rio Radiance by Sol de Janeiro, and we've got Melrose Apple something Blossom by Shea and Blue. They're all great sizes, so definitely worth £25 in my opinion. Yeah, unless you know you're going to love them all. It is a gamble, isn't it, getting a perfume box? But I am glad I did, and it's always fun testing them all out and sharing with you, even though I talk a load of bollocks a lot of the time. I'm so sorry, I don't know what... Yeah, about the farm smelling one. But anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of these ASOS gift boxes? Which one did you go for if you went for one? Or are you watching this thinking, oh, I didn't know about them, I'm going to get one, have a look. I'd love to hear your thoughts, even if you don't like them. So please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.